Hi friends, welcome back to our channel CTET DSC Network. In this video, we will see about the third class EVS textbook bits for CTET paper 1 and also useful for paper 2 also and for KVS PRT preparing students. Okay, we will see next first point. First point here, families are people. They given a point like families are people and they mention types of families. First one small families, second one big families. And next they mention two types of games. First one chupan chupai. Here chupan chupai means hide and seek. And peekaboo. Here peekaboo means hiding and suddenly reappearing. Okay, and they also mentioned about the Kumbh Mela. Here the word Kumbh Mela is the world's biggest festival. Kumbh Mela is the world's biggest festival and it will be celebrated once every 12 years on the banks of rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari and Shipra. Okay, and in the cities like Haridwar, Prayagraj, Nasik and Ujjaini. So here they given four rivers names and also four cities names. We have to remember the rivers names and also the cities names. Okay, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ సీటెట్ పేపర్ 1 కానీ పేపర్ 2 కానీ మనకి ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇంకా హిందీ మీడియంలోనే వస్తుంది కాబట్టి నేను మ్యాక్సిమం ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే చెప్పడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే మనం ప్రతి ఒక్క పాయింట్ కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. సో ఈ వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. మీకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క చిన్న బిట్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా కవర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఈ ఒక్క వీడియోలో మీకు థర్డ్ క్లాస్ ఈవీఎస్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో బిట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా కవర్ అయిపోతాయి. Okay, next point. Hak. Here, hak is the Kashmir dish. The Kashmir people will prepare a dish which is called hak. It is a kind of leafy vegetable. Okay, and next, on the first day of Malayali New Year, the Kerala people will celebrate a festival called Vishukani Festival. Okay, and next, here they given about a flower name which is called rhododendron. We can see this type of flowers in Jammu. In Jammu states, we can see rhododendron flowers. And here Vishukani festival is celebrated with the different types of flowers. Okay, here they mention in textbook they mentioned about the this festival. And next here they given about the Himalayas, the mountains which appear in the northern area of the India are called the Himalayas. Okay, the word Himalayas means home of snow. Here the word Himalayas denotes home of snow. And the highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest. We all know this point, right? And it lies in our neighboring countries, that is Nepal. Height of the Mount Everest is about 8,848 meters. Okay, next. So here they given about the festival called Sarhul. It is celebrated by the Jharkhand people and in the season of a spring season. So it is called a spring festival also. To the tree which is called Saku tree. These are the important points of this topic. Okay. Here they given about the trees. The trees will have a big trunk of wood and many branches that spread out with leaves on them. Trees have roots that go deep down into the soil. We can say how much the tree grows from the ground, the roots also will go that much deep. Okay, we know that. And here they given some examples of trees. First mango, coconut, kejri, jackfruit, banyan, amalthus, peepal, chinnar. Okay, and next point we will see. Shrubs are medium sized plants with several woody stems and branches growing close to the ground. Okay, the shrubs will grow close to the ground with several branches in a medium sized only. And here they given some examples. First one hibiscus, rose, holly, basil means tulsi. Next curry leaf. Okay, and next point here they mentioned the pulses that we eat daily, means pulses means dal. Okay, that we eat daily like tur means pigeon peas, masoor, red lentils, moong, green gram and urad, black gram. are all seeds of shrubs. These all pulses also shrubs, types of shrubs. Okay. Next, herbs. Herbs are smaller plants with soft stems that do not become woody. Grasses are types of herbs. Grasses are also types of herbs. Okay. The leaves of grasses are thin and flat and their stems are hollow. Okay. And next, here some they given some examples of the herbs. First one, mint, tomato, coriander, and mustard. And next, types of grasses also. Here they given only one kind, that is wild grasses. And next point, the grains that we eat like paddy, wheat, bajra, jaw, ragi are seeds of large grasses. The grains we eat like paddy, wheat, bajra, jaw, ragi are also type of a grass. Okay, next. Sugarcane and bamboo are tall grasses. Sugarcane and bamboo are also a type of grasses which is tall. Bamboo is a special kind of grass which stays alive longer than just a year. Okay, it will have a lifetime more than year. Okay, next point. Climbers and creepers. We will see about the climbers and the creepers. They both have a thin and flexible stem. The plants that grow by climbing on other plants for support are climbers. And the plants that grow by creeping along the ground are creepers. Okay, we can easily identify this. Some climbers even take their food from the plants on which they climb. Okay, they will take food of the parent plant which they climb. Okay, next, here they given some examples of climbers. Money plant, jasmine, bottle gourd are climbers. Next, creepers, watermelon and pumpkin. Many more will be there, but they mentioned only these two examples in the textbook. Next, here sugar is produced from the sugarcane stem. Okay, we all know how the sugar is prepared, right? Next point, bamboo is the tallest grass. We have already discussed, right? Bamboo is also a tallest grass. Next, rafflesia. It is the biggest flower that is seen in Mizoram. Okay, it is as big as the umbrella. This is the image of the rafflesia flower. It will be seen in Mizoram state. Okay. Next point, soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. We all know that, right? Next, soil is made from rocks that have broken up into tiny pieces as well as old leaves, roots, stems, and living and dead animals like insects. On the top layer of the soil and moving around between the grass and leaves, you might find insects like the insects what we find on the top layer of soil. We will see ants, termites, small beetles, and grasshoppers. Okay, these types of insects we will find on the top layer of the soil. When it rains and the soil is wet, other creatures like earthworms and millipedes may appear too. Okay, when it rains, the soil will be wet, right? And other creatures like earthworms and millipedes will appear in the soil which is moist. Next, birds like owls use hollows in the trees to bring up their young ones. Owl will build nest in the hollows of the tree. Next, squirrels and crows use twigs from plants to build their nest and to bring up their young ones. Squirrels and crows will use the twigs of a plant to build their nest. Next, tailor bird. Here, tailor bird stitches leaves of plant to build their nest. In the picture, we can see clearly, right? It is stitching. See, here it is stitched, right? Next, sunbird and the butterflies drink nectar from the different flowers. We all know that, right? Next, bats and leopards use branches of trees to rest on for their shelter. Okay, bats and leopards use the branches of trees to rest for shelter. Here the given pointer, like thousands of trees are accidentally planted by squirrels. They bury nuts and then forgot where they hide them. Okay, the squirrels will gather all the nuts and they will forget where they hide it. So the uh, plants will sprout from the nuts. Next, here they given a story about the bird which is called wagtails. Okay, how this name came to this bird means it wags its tails to and fro and up and down. So the name they given as wagtails. The local name of this bird is Latti Kurivi is the local name of this wagtails. This is mostly seen in the Tamil Nadu state. Okay, next point. Here next we see here different parts of plants what we eat daily we will see from leaves like spinach, fenugreek, cabbage, mustard, coriander. The leaves of this we will eat. Okay, spinach, fenugreek, cabbage, mustard, coriander, only leaves we will eat from these plants. Next, fruits like guava, sapota, apple, mango, and many more we have, right? We know all that. Next, roots, carrot, radish, beetroot. All these are roots. Next, here they given about a special food item that is chapan bogi. Means it is a mix of 56 varieties of food items. Okay, it contains 56 varieties of food items like blended of six, six tastes and 56 varieties of food items. What are the six tastes we will see? Sweet, spicy, astringent, salty, sour, and bitter. Okay. Next, next, stems like potatoes, bamboo shoots, ginger, onion. This we will eat stem. Okay. Next, seeds like grains, pulses, and dry fruits. Food from animals such as milk, curd, ghee, cheese, paneer, honey, eggs, and meat. Also, we will take daily, right? ఓకే, ఈ వీడియో ఎండ్లో ఒక చిన్న పజిల్ మెన్షన్ చేశాను. ఇన్ కేస్ మీకు ఆన్సర్ తెలిస్తే నాకు కామెంట్లో మీ ఆన్సర్ అనేది కామెంట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, ద మోడర్న్ ఐడియా ఆఫ్ brushing teeth came from the Indian hygiene tradition of the thun. Okay, like we will brush with the twigs of the neem plant, right? This tradition is came from the Datun. Okay, Indian tradition that is came from the Datun. Okay, next here they given about metals are carefully extracted from certain rock and sediments dug from the inside of the earth. How the metals are prepared? From rock and sediments. What they are called? Ore. Okay. Okay. Next, things that you can see through are called transparent things. Like example, glass. Okay. Next, materials that you cannot see through are called opaque. Okay, the materials which we cannot see the other side that are called opaque. We can see the other side that are called transparent. Some things are in between, that is, so you can see through them only partially. They are called translucent. Means we can see the other side but not clearly. So that are called translucent. Next, next. Materials like rubber, fiber, and wax could be naturally produced by plants and animals. But similar materials are also made artificially. Rubber, fiber, and wax we can prepare naturally, and also same natural similar materials we can made from artificially also. For example, bees produce wax for their honeycomb, but very similar wax can be made from petroleum. Okay, honeybees will prepare a wax, right? Same this type of wax we can prepare from the petroleum. Okay, next point. Petroleum is a liquid found deep underground. Petrol, rocket, diesel, etc. are extracted from petroleum. Okay, what are the liquids will extract from the petroleum? Petrol, rocket, and diesel. Okay, next. Petroleum based materials such as petrol, plastic, rubber, paraffin wax, and create non biodegradable waste. So, the petroleum based materials will create non biodegradable waste, means they will not decompose into the earth. So, that we can say as a non biodegradable waste. What are the materials made from the petroleum? Petrol, plastic, rubber, and paraffin wax. Okay. And next, how the glass is made? The glass is made from the sand. Okay, how the glass is made from sand. Next point, Siluk. It is a village name. It is in Arunachal Pradesh. Has received an award for managing its waste, and it is called as Zero Waste Village. Before the Siluk, Chota Narina was the first village to become a waste-free village. Next, like this, several towns also stand for the being clean cities, like Indore and Mysore. Okay. Next, here blue dustbin is used for the things made of metal, glass, plastic, and paper. From these things, we can make new objects like metal, glass, plastic, or paper that have been with the old materials. We can make new objects. That things we have to throw in the blue dustbin. And next, here green dustbin is used for the things that dried leaves or branches, fruit peels, vegetables waste, or eggshells. These materials rot easily and mix with the soil. The things which will degradable into the ground, the things should be thrown into the green dustbin, and the things which are not degradable to the ground and which are used for the recycle, the things should be thrown in the blue dustbin. Okay. Okay, these all are the points from the third class EVS textbook. Okay, next we have a one puzzle question. Two of our most commonly used ingredients are neither obtained from plants nor from animals. Okay, what are those two ingredients that will not obtain from plants and not from animals? Please comment the answers to this puzzle question. Okay friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, see you in the next video.